Oh my goodness, Amazon Fire has been around forever. In fact, they used to call it the Kindle Fire before abandoning the Kindle name as to not confuse people with the actual e-readers. Today's feature is the Amazon Fire Max 11, and this thing is advertising itself as an Amazon Fire laptop with its optional case and optional stylus. Amazon doesn't really have much of an unboxing procedure. You just rip the little strip and away it goes. We will open this up and see what is all inside. I do love the extra little protective layer underneath here. They just fold the cardboard to add a little bit of tensile strength. Let us see what all comes inside this device. I am usually on board with Amazon's minimalist packaging until you think about ordering this internationally. It's very flimsy, it's just cardstock, and this is no better. This is the only thing protecting your device, your very expensive device, from the outside of a cardboard, not even cardboard, a cardstock case with no packaging. Also, this is haphazardly included in there, and it actually just fell out on my lap. So I'm not sure what all that is about. But you know what? Minimalist packaging all the way through, and I do appreciate how there's not really any plastic involved in any of this. We do have the information here that says konnichiwa, but don't worry, you'll get it in your own language depending on where you order from. That's where it's supposed to go, everyone. Right there. Wow, they're so minimalist that they just put it in the paper, where I think it would have made more sense to put it in the brown cardstock there. This is all wrapped up nicely in a wax paper sleeve. This is the USB to wall port, and this is the USB-C, and you'll see that everything is just paper. Let us open this up very nicely in case we do a nice giveaway. Like to keep everything beautifully wrapped, and remember, this is wax paper, so it is easily broken. I am so excited about this unit. I'm not probably going to use it as a laptop personally, but I'm just excited all the same. You'll see that it is a completely glass screen, but this is a crazy screen ratio. Look at this. Look how wide screen that is. You have two speakers at the top. Do we have two more at the bottom? No, we do have, no, those are cradle docks, I believe, that line up with the pogo pins, and you'll see that one is bigger than the other as to not confuse which way it goes in. You have nothing on that side, and you have everything on this side. My goodness. You have the power button. It might have fingerprint sensor, I'm not sure. Volume up and down, microphones, USB-C, and the removal tool. That is how you open that up. The back is this very cool gothic black, very much like that. You do get a camera on the back, but you don't get a flash package, which would have been a minimal upgrade and just something they could have easily thrown on there. That's quite strange how they did that. I'm not sure what the mentality was behind that, but that is it all the same. This does come in a couple variants. We got the 64GB variant. This does have 4 gigs of RAM, Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 6, and as I have been told, this has the ability to sideload in your own apps and install from unknown sources. For now, everyone, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new Amazon Fire Max 11. Stay tuned for the full review and a follow-up array of videos that is going to be about the stylus, the case, the keyboard, and everything under the sun. Thanks for watching.